Think of nodes as your highly skilled teammates, each working independently but towards the same goal. They enable DataStage to speed up processes by handling parts of the workload simultaneously. With nodes, tasks don't just move faster, they move smarter. And let's be honest, who wouldn't want a bunch of efficient assistants doing the heavy lifting? Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Picture nodes as an assembly line in a factory. Each worker handles a portion of the task to produce results faster. More nodes mean more hands on deck, ensuring smoother execution of complex processes. So if your data could talk, it would probably say, "Thanks for all the extra hands." Imagine you're hosting a party. How many cooks you assign in the kitchen determines how quickly dinner is served. The configuration file in DataStage works similarly. It controls how many nodes are at work. Set it too low and your processing is sluggish. Set it right and your jobs zip through like a well-orchestrated feast. Think of nodes as gears in a machine. More gears means smoother operation. Proper node allocation ensures DataStage runs efficiently without overloading resources. So like a car engine, if you tune your nodes just right, you'll be cruising at peak performance. So why rely on one brain when you can have multiple working together? Parallel jobs harness the power of many nodes to prevent bottlenecks and ensure a smooth process. It's like assembling a dream team. Each player contributes to get the job done faster. This little file is like a boss assigning tasks. It tells DataStage how many nodes to use and what they should do. A well-configured apt config file ensures a well-balanced workload, preventing unnecessary bottlenecks. Because let's face it, nobody likes long queues. Partitioning is like slicing a pizza. How you cut it determines how evenly everyone gets their share. Choose the right partitioning method and your data flows seamlessly. Choose poorly and one node might get an overload while others sit idle. Imagine passing out snacks at a party. Round-Robin ensures everyone gets an equal portion. This method prevents overload and keeps things fair among nodes. No favoritism here, just good, balanced distribution. Hash partitioning is like sorting mail. Grouping letters based on addresses ensures they reach the right recipient faster. It ensures related data stays together, making retrieval and processing more efficient. It's a bit like organizing your closet by category. Imagine sending the same message to every single person in a group chat. That's entire partitioning. Every node gets all the data, which can be great for some tasks, but not so great if you're trying to be efficient. Think of it like sending 100 invitations for a party when only 10 people need them. You might be overloading your system unnecessarily. This one's all about math. Modulus partitioning is like sorting people into teams based on their jersey number. It ensures an even spread, but can sometimes be unfair if you have more players in one team than another. Think of it as dividing candy among friends. If the numbers don't align perfectly, someone might get more sweets. If you're using DB2, this method is like tailoring a suit. It fits perfectly with the database's partitions and optimizes access. But like any suit, it needs to be measured correctly, or you'll end up with a misaligned setup. Just imagine wearing shoes 2 sizes too big, not the best experience. Checking logs is like reading a detective's notes. Everything you need to solve a mystery is in there. If you're wondering why your data is misbehaving, the logs hold the clues. Imagine trying to find out who ate the last cookie. Check the crumbs left behind. Adding more nodes is like getting extra hands to help you carry groceries. Everything moves faster. But if you don't balance the workload, one person might end up carrying all the bags. The trick is smart distribution. because no one likes being the person stuck carrying the heaviest load. We'd all love unlimited resources, but reality isn't quite that kind. Think of this like trying to fit an elephant into a tiny car. No matter how much you want it, some limits just can't be ignored. A well-planned setup ensures you get the most out of your nodes. Optimizing nodes is like tuning a race car. Every small adjustment makes a difference. You wouldn't drive a sports car with flat tires, right? Fine-tuning settings ensures your system runs at top speed, giving you the best possible performance. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.